So tomorrow we're heading out for Bandera for the Thunder in the Hill.
Thunder Hills, baby!
Yeah, oh, it's gonna be fun. There's a rally going on down there, so it's gonna be a good time. You get to ride the Twisted Sisters.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned. There's some good stuff coming.
Hell yeah.
Saw the lightning flash across the sky to close the door. If the memories hanging on an old steel-bladed sword, man, on the tube he says we're all gonna be okay. How the hell are we supposed to live if you're taking our freedom away? Yeah. Don't you think that you've gone too far, tearing down our stripes and stars? Right now I don't worry if I were you. And we're bound together and we're here to fight, kick your ass on through the night. What in the hell are you trying to prove? You can knock us to the ground and we'll get back up again. Set fire to the wood and stone like it's all in your hands. I ain't ever gonna change my ways. I was born a free man in a Lone Star State. You can take our brass away, but you'll never take my guns. You're the enemy and I'm fighting for number one. So keep your lies and uncertainties away from my front door. My head is killing me and I just can't take no more. And you can knock us to the ground and we'll get back up again. Set fire to the wood and stone like it's all in your hands. I ain't never gonna change my ways. I was born a free man in the Lone Star State. Set fire to the working stone like it's all in your hands. I ain't never gonna change my ways. 'Cause I was born a free man in the Lone Star State. 'Cause I was born a free man in the Lone Star State. Well, I picked her up on the outside of town, and we drove all night till we try and figure it out. But how can two poor kids be so broken down? learned the hard way coming now. So we pulled into a truck stop running on fuel, and I had no cash in my pocket, so I guess I lose. She handed me a 45, said we'll get it done. Yeah, just 2 poor kids and a loaded gun. Like the new day, Bonnie and Clyde, flying fast down the interstate. And the bullets are flying from the red and blues, gotta get away. Yeah, I'm checking the paper in the morning, see our faces on the front page. Just 2 poor kids trying to get away. Well, we found ourselves in a little broke down town, and we made our stand until sun went down. But when they ran out of bullets, we came out raising hell. Well, one last look at the world we know so well. Like the new day, Bonnie and Clyde, flying fast down the interstate. And the bullets are flying from the red and blues, gotta get away. Yeah, I'm checking the paper in the morning, see our faces on the front page. Just 2 poor kids trying to get away.